Welcome to this 5-minute digital marketing. Unlock secrets of the online universe today. In this video, we dive into the world of content creation. Content is king in the digital space, whether it's a blog, video, or social media post. Good content grabs attention. It tells your story and connects with your audience on a personal level. The secret lies in knowing your audience and what they love to see or read. Next up is lead creation. This is all about turning visitors into potential customers. Think of it as planting seeds that can grow into solid customer relationships. Offer something valuable, a free ebook, a discount, or exclusive insights, and capture their insights through call to action buttons or sign up forms. Simple changes like these can make a big difference in attracting leads and keeping them engaged. Both content and lead creation are keys to unlocking success online. Keep experimenting with new ideas and formats to find what works best for you. Remember, the digital universe is vast, but not impossible to conquer. With constant effort and creativity, you'll unlock the secrets in no time. By the way, I use LeadCreator for my content creation, but you can use any tool of your choosing. Here, I will demonstrate a 5-minute killer digital marketing creation that will knock your socks off. Okay, I'm on the LeadCreator screen, and to create a lead magnet, you just click on the green button, give the lead magnet a name, select a category. These categories I've already established, that's why you see them here. So I'll just pick one. And then the template, the built-in template that you want to create your lead magnet from. I'll just select that 5-point listicle and the prompt. Of course, the more detail you provide in the prompt will enable the lead magnet to be more valuable content. I prepared this prompt to generate for the 5-point listicle lead magnet. The amount of details that you enter into the prompt will bring back a better quality output from the AI. This is the prompt that I created. Affiliate marketing tips and tricks that show how to choose a niche that aligns with your interests. Demonstrate how to research and join reputable affiliate programs. Show the best ways to create quality content to attract and engage your audience. Show the inside tricks to fully utilize SEO strategies to drive organic traffic to your site. Give best practices scenario on how to leverage social media platforms to promote affiliate products. How to use LeadCreator to build an email list to nurture and convert leads. Demonstrate the best ways to monitor and analyze performance. To optimize affiliate marketing strategies. How to stay updated with industry trends and adapt your approach accordingly. How to focus on building trust and credibility with your audience. Demonstrate how to test different marketing techniques to find what works best for you. I'll go ahead and click on the create. Know that the AI prompt has been entered. Once you click create, then the content machine proceeds to generate the content for you. This doesn't take long. I'm doing this in real time while I'm talking to you on this video. The longer the AI prompt, the longer it will take to generate the content, but it still doesn't take that long. And here is the generated lead magnet, coming up with a title: Mastering Affiliate Marketing 5 Essential Tips for Success. And you have a 5-point listicle. Here's a first paragraph. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate income online, but success requires more. So this is a good start. And choosing a niche that aligns with your interests, researching and joining reputable affiliate programs, creating quality content to attract and engage your audience, utilizing SEO strategies to drive organic traffic, leveraging social media platforms to promote affiliate products. The AI came up with the content that was requested. The title that you present in your lead magnet should generate emotion. Without leaving the LeadCreator dashboard, we can ask for a suggestion from if we highlight the title that was generated here and copy that title, and then click on the Ask AI, we can ask the AI to come up with a more emotional title for the lead magnet. We'll ask the AI, Mastering Affiliate Marketing 5 Essential Tips for Success title. And the AI quickly comes up with struggling to make money with affiliate marketing. Discover the 5 essential tips to transform your frustration into financial freedom. A much more emotional heading we could copy over here. Once you've pasted the AI suggestion in the new heading, close AI. Now that we've come up with a more emotional style heading by centering, and then on the second part of the heading, make it an H2 tag and center that also. And for emotional emphasis, we can make the top part of the heading a different color and the subheading something complementing the red. And of course, you should go through all the text and space out for easier reading for the reader. You can edit out the numbering if you so choose, or leave the numbering, since the article is stating 5 essential tips. To get access to awesome lead magnet tool, LeadCreator, go ahead and click on the link below to see more.